Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try and do another one of those like vlog style reviews, and hopefully I can actually get it right this time so that we can see if this is a good method for reviewing things. But today I'm going to be trying out the Peripera Airy Ink Velvet Lip Tint, and this is in the shade Apricot Coral. So we're just gonna give it a try. I'm gonna apply it right now, and then I will like check in with you guys throughout the day and let you know how it is lasting and how it looks and how I feel about it. So this is the packaging. It is adorable. I think it's adorable because, I don't know, to me it looks like a little bottle, like a baby bottle or something. I don't think that's what it's supposed to be, but that's what it looks like to me. So now we are going to apply this. Hopefully I can like keep my camera here stands because I'm not in the same space I was the last time I did this type of video. Okay, got my mirror. I can't tell if it's moving or not. Okay, got my mirror, and let's do this. Huh, it smells. It smells like perfumey. That's weird. Okay, so first off, this is like the initial application. I haven't like evened it out or anything, but when you just apply to the bottom lip and go, this is what you get. So this is a pretty good color, I think. Like, it's not like a pretty good color meaning that it's a nice color because I picked the color because it's a nice color, of course, but a pretty good color meaning like coverage wise, color intensity wise, you know? So for the first swipe over, it's looking pretty good. Alright, I think that's what I'm gonna do with it today. I do have to say it has kind of a strange texture. Like it really does feel like velvet when you kind of put your lips together and you like move them around. It does feel very velvety, which is interesting. I've never had a texture like this on a lip tint before. So we're going to move closer to the sunlight and see what it looks like here. Open the window, and there we go. Can't tell if it's even or not. So this is the color. It's nice because I actually feel like it goes with my makeup today too. But yeah, I really like the color on Apricot Coral, and again, the texture is really interesting. It feels a little bit dry on the lips, but at the same time when you rub your lips together they feel very moisturized. So I don't know how it's gonna feel throughout the day and how it's gonna hold up throughout the day, because I did get a little bit outside the lines here and I was able to wipe it away. So it isn't one of those lip tints that we all know about. It is just like a kind of like a liquid lipstick almost. That's the closest thing that I could say that this feels like. It's like a liquid lipstick. So that's what it looks like applied first thing throughout the day. So I'm gonna go through my day, do the things I normally do, and check in with you guys to let you know how it holds up, how it feels, and whether or not I like it. But first impression so far, the color is very nice, texture is very interesting but nice. So far it's a thumbs up. We'll see how it goes throughout the day though. Alright, update number 1. I have been drinking some water and I feel like the color is pretty much staying the same. The only thing I can say is it does feel a bit drier, kind of like a matte lipstick. When I run my finger over it, some does come off. I don't know if you can see that. So it's not gonna be totally like long staying, but it has been staying through me drinking water. Alright guys, it is now 3:48. So I've had this on for a couple hours now, and I think it's starting to wear off a little bit. It's hard to tell with these glasses on. It's starting to wear off a tiny bit, not a ton, and it is starting to feel a little bit more dry. So like you can start to see some lines in my lips. I don't know if I'm gonna reapply or not yet. I might wait, but it is starting to feel quite dry, so I think I do need to drink some water or something. But overall it looks nice. It's wearing a little bit, like wearing off, but it doesn't look bad. It's not like it's wearing off more on the outside or more on the inside than anywhere else. It's wearing off pretty evenly, so still a thumbs up so far. It's just a little tiny bit dry. Hi guys, so it is the end of the night now. It is completely worn off because I ate dinner. So I would say the final result is that this lip tint lasts about 4 or 5 hours if you're drinking like water or something, or anything in a container kind of like a water bottle. It lasts a lot less once you start to eat, but it will still last a little bit. But the more you eat, the more it just comes off. And it does start to feel kind of dry throughout the day. I felt like after about 3 or 4 hours in, I wanted to reapply, but I don't think it would be wise to reapply over it because it started to kind of like crack in the center here and kind of like cake up, I guess. So I wouldn't recommend reapplying without wiping it all off first. Like go to the bathroom, wipe it all off, and then reapply. But other than that, I feel like it was a really nice lip tint. I love the feel when you first put it on. It really does feel velvety. It's really great. So I think I would recommend it. Well, for sure I would recommend it. I'm just thinking about what kind of rating I would give it. I think it would be 4 hearts, because I'm just taking off 1 heart for the fact that it does like kind of cake up and it look a little bit ugly when it does start to wear off, like towards the end. When it first starts wearing off, it's fine. So as long as you can touch it up like every 3 or 4 hours, you'll be fine. But if you go over those 4 hours and you have kind of dry lips like I do, it's not gonna look very pretty. So I would just say carry it with you if you're gonna wear it, or be prepared to take it off after about 4 hours worth of wear. And that's it. It's a really pretty color, really smooth finish, and really like interesting texture and smell. So I would highly recommend trying it if you never have. And that's my final rating. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this version of review. If you did, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do more like this. Hopefully it came out a little bit faster than normal because it's just kind of like quick little bursts of what I'm thinking at the moment. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye!